Good morning. Next will be oscillating type. Okay, as I told you that these four problems, problem number 1, 5, 7 and 8. Okay, you can see the difference in this problem. In this you can see follower type oscillating follower with roller as shown in figure. Oscillating follower. Oscillating follower with roller as shown in figure. Previously you did is radial follower, radial cam follower. Here it is oscillating follower. When the cam rotates, the follower will not move up and down, it just oscillates. The follower is oscillating, there the follower is reciprocating. Okay, and base circle is 20 mm, roller radius is 77 mm, that is roller follower. Okay, a follower at rises through 40 degree during 90 rises through 40 degree during 90 degree of cam rotation. That is, this 90 degrees cam rotation, cam profile rotation, this 40 degrees rise of the or lift of the follower, lift he has given in this 40 degree, because it is oscillating follower. Oscillating, the lift will get only in degree 40 degree with cycloidal motion. During dwell is 30 degree, return with cycloidal motion is during 120 degree of the cam rotation. Dwell will be for the remaining period. Also determine the maximum velocity and acceleration, during outstroke return stroke if the cam rotates in 600 rpm. That calculations will be same, only thing is construction. See, the oscillating follower will be like this. Oscillating follower 76 mm as mentioned. What you need to do is, he has given this figure, you need to write, you need to follow this. See, 76 degree and 36 degree, you need to construct the mechanism like this only. 36 degree, in this 36 mm, this is mm only, 36 mm and 76 mm. The follower, this is the small one circle is the follower, and this is cam profile. Okay, base circle. Okay, the distance between this is between the distance from the fixing point of the follower is profile with radius. Cam profile with radius, you can see this is 76 mm. See, the 76 mm what is given is that follower with roller, follower mechanism with roller, it will oscillate. 76 mm will oscillate 40 degree. See, this 40 degrees oscillating motion. See, 76 degrees oscillating motion, it will oscillate. Okay, like wiper in the car. Okay, fixed from the fixed point O, it will oscillate. A is the starting point and B is the ending point. This maximum oscillation is 40 degree, what is mentioned in the problem. See, oscillation is 40 degree during 90 degree of the cam rotation. Here what you need to do is lift of the follower. Yes, you need to find out lift of the follower. What he has given? He has given in angle. Okay, you converted that angle into mm. S is lift AB, arc AB. Arc AB you need to find out. OA. OA is how much? 76 mm. Okay, 76 mm only. 76 into 40. 40 is theta degree. Okay, into pi by 180. Pi by 180 is, you need to convert that into 360 degree. You need to convert that into 360 degree. Correct? No. You need to OA into theta. OA is 76 mm, 76 mm, and this 40 is 40 degree into pi by 180. Pi by 180 for conversion of 360 degree, that is 53 mm radians. Okay, radian into degree. Now you need to convert pi by 180. 76 into 40 into pi by 180 is 53 mm. Radius of the cycloidal generated circle, you need to draw 8.4 mm. 53, divided by 2 into pi, 3.142. Now 53 into 3 pi, 3.142 into 2, you will get 84.8.4 mm. Okay, cycloidal construction you need to draw. You know that how to construct the cycloidal follower with cycloidal motion. You need to do, you know how to construct it. Okay, you can construct it. This and all, no, omega 2 pi n by 60, as I have explained you in problem 1. Okay, same thing. Okay, you need to do it and find out it. Okay, next is cam profile. Okay, just go through this cam profile, how to draw the thing. You just go through this. This also I was already shared. Okay, you just go through this and the profile you will get like this only. Okay, in outside this it will not get inscribe the circum of the circle you will get. See, this is the inscribed circle. Okay, profile will come inside the circle. This outer body is there, no, that is the follower movement. Okay, here the follower having maximum distance and the cam will move inside the circle. Okay, that is the main difference in this. Okay, please go through the procedures what is given here, cam profile, how to construct it. Okay, please go through it. If you have any doubts in, definitely will not get the doubts in problem 1 and 5. Okay, you have any doubts in construction part in problem number 7, you just message me. I'll clarify your doubts step by step. First you go through this and you just try to construct this. Okay, if you are not getting, I'll going to explain you. Okay.